Chris.
This is H&I's Just Two Guys Talking Car Stuff.
And today we're going to cover our 3 levels of oil changes we do here at H&I, because we do have a silver, a gold, and a platinum level oil change. Of course, every oil change is going to start with quality oil and a quality filter. I did bring 2 filters because most people are used to the little canister type here, or the actual spin-on. And then this is the canister, which actually just goes into a little canister with a top on it that stays up the car, and you just change out the element itself. So,
is there a difference as far as which one gives better filtration?
They are both same as quality and their filtration purposes. It's really just how they go onto the car.
Got it. Right. And what are these things here? What are we talking here?
All right, now this is what makes our other oil changes so special. So first of all, on that silver one, it is just going to be the oil change filter, either regular oil or synthetic oil. Then we move up to our gold service, and that's going to be our signature oil change, and it's going to have these 2 chemicals with it. The first one is an engine performance restorer. We put this in before we change the oil, and it does 2 things. One, it's going to take out the sludginess that builds up over time, because believe me, sludge is real. And we've got sludginess.
Sludginess will work?
Yes.
Okay.
And we have plenty of pictures to prove it. And second thing it does, when your oil gets dirty, it's getting dirty from the carbon residue from when the fuel combusts in the engine. It doesn't get dirty just from splashing around. It's the actual combustion and the carbon that builds up.
Getting past the rings.
Exactly. So this will take the carbon off the rings, off the top of the pistons, and it will restore the compression and performance.
Helps compression too. Nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's really good.
And this one.
All right. So then we go ahead and we change the oil, and after we're done, we put in the MOA. The MOA is, well, everybody's familiar with Lucas. Well, Lucas is, you're kind of like
trade
out there brand. Yeah,
brand
your trade. But this stuff really does a good job as well to use it professionally. It's going to be an engine oil. Oh, it's an additive, but it also enhances its protection. So it's going to make your oil last longer. It's going to make it heat indexes higher, and it's just going to keep the oil cleaner longer. Sense.
When I've actually seen video where they have 2 similar engines running the exact same oil, and the same amount of mileage, the same heat, at the same time, all the other parameters are the same, but just this as the only other factor changed, and you drain the oil and you see the difference, and it's unbelievable how much clearer that this oil looks. And the viscosity, they test it, make sure that viscosity is still much better, the amount of pollutants in the oil is much better. It's crazy actually how good it works.
He speaks the truth, so I guarantee you, if you do oil changes using these products, and we have a car that doesn't have the products, the engine's going to be much cleaner, and believe it or not, the compression is going to be better on the engine that uses these products, because it's going to help keep the compression up, keep that power level where it should be, especially on a performance car like this. You will know the difference, because we're talking a 10 to 20% drop in compression if you do not use products like this.
And lastly, what do we got here?
Lastly, this is kind of like, it's a vitamin for your fuel system. Okay, so you're going to put this in the fuel tank, and it's going to be on top of these 2 chemicals, but this is just for your fuel system. What it's going to do, main thing is inside your fuel tank you have that fuel level sensor. You ever have a fuel gauge that doesn't work? Well, it's because that gauge gets corrosion on it and it doesn't read properly. Well, this is going to keep that sensor clean, so you won't have a problem with that. Second, it's going to clean those fuel lines from your tank up to this engine and keep the moisture, corrosion, all that's going to get cleaned out, because every bit of fuel out there is going to have moisture in it. This is going to take care of that moisture and any problems it causes. And then it's also going to go through your injectors, clean deposits out of injectors, go over your intake valves if you have a regular injection engine, clean the top of the pistons. So it's an overall great product, and for what you spend on it, the performance benefits are just out of this world.
How often do we recommend doing it?
This is going to be every 15,000 mile additive. We do suggest to do these every oil change, which is every 5,000 miles. Now I know you got people out there saying, hey, I go 10, 15, 20,000 miles on my oil. Well, good luck to those guys, because if you're going to keep your car for any length of period, that is just going to make you have more repairs while your engine gets older. So if you take care of it now, it's going to take care of you later.
I like that.
All right, so we all got it. We got silver, just regular oil change. Gold, oil change with cleaners and protectant. And then platinum, cleaners, protectant, and fuel system cleaner. Got it all?
I think I got it covered.
Okay, there will be a test.
Damn it, Ted.
Are we ready?
I'm ready.
Okay.
Okay.
So I think we're done for this episode.
I think so too.
All right. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next one.
See you in the next time. Thank you.